Good morning once again. I'm Aditya Kumar. The battle of COVID-19 is still not over, and this can be won together. We can do it. All we need to take some basic precautions. Always wear your mask properly. Don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth unnecessary. Wash your hands with soap more frequently for about 20 seconds. Avoid participating in large or social gathering. So let us start the topic sound produced by human beings. Sound produced by human beings. In human beings, sound is produced because of the vibration of his voice box or larynx. It is situated at the upper end of the windpipe, and there are the two stretched membrane called vocal cords attached in the larynx with a narrow slit between them for passes air. In human beings, produce sound by using voice box, which is also called larynx. Voice box is situated in our throat at the top of the windpipe. A human voice box contains two ligaments known as vocal cords. The vocal cords are a kind of string. Sound is produced by vibration of vocal cords. The vocal cords are attached to the muscle which change the stretching in the cord and the distance between the cords. Normally, the muscle of vocal cords are completely relaxed, due to which the vocal cords are separated and loose so that air from the lungs passes through them without producing any sound. Thus, when we are not taking, the two vocal cords are far apart with a lot of gap between them. When we want to speak, the muscle of vocal cords contract, due to which the two vocal cords become stretched and close together, leaving only a narrow slit between them. The lungs passes the current of air between the two vocal cords. This air makes vocal cords vibrate, and vibrating vocal cords produce sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, produces the different quality of voice. Now let us understand about the propagation of sound. The traveling of sound is called propagation of sound. Sound is propagated by the to and fro motion of particles of the medium. Sound is produced by vibration of an object. When an object vibrates back and forth in the air, then the molecules of air close to this object also start vibrating back and forth with the same frequency. These vibrating air molecules pass on their motion to the next layer of air molecules, due to which they also start vibrating back and forth. This process goes on, and ultimately all the air molecules around the sound producing object start vibrating back and forth. When the vibrating air make sound, then the air around it also start vibrating in exactly the same way and carries sound to our ears through the vibration of its molecule. And we say that sound waves travel from sound producing object to our ears through the air. Next is sound need a medium to propagate. A medium is necessary for the propagation of sound waves. The matter or the substance through which sound is transmitted is called the medium, and medium can be solid, liquid, or gas. Sound cannot travel in the vacuum. Sound waves can travel only through the matter. So, sound need a physical medium in order to propagate anywhere. We hear the sound which comes to us through air medium particles. Now we see in the picture that in first picture there is a glass jar and a bell is present inside that glass jar, and the air is also present inside the jar. When the bell is ring, the sound is heard by that particular boy. But in second one there is a glass jar, but there is a pump plate and the vacuum pump is also there that remove the air inside the jar. Now there is vacuum, and in this condition when the bell ring, no sound is heard, because there is no air, so sound need a medium for propagation. It's time to revise what we have learned today. The first question is, the voice box is called option A stomach, option B heart, option C larynx, option D mouth. And the correct answer is option C larynx. Question second, voice box are larynx of human process. Option A sound, option B wind, option C loudness, option D none. And the correct answer is option A sound. Question 3, sound cannot travel in option A air, option B water, option C light, option D vacuum. And the correct answer is option D vacuum. Question 4, to and fro motion of an object is called option A waves, option B amplitude, option C vibration, option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option C vibration. Practice makes perfect. So students, it's time to practice, and your practice homework are on your screen. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.